What's up all you beautiful people? I'm back with yet another dish on the Health on My Plate series, and this time it's the Paneer Tikka. The specialty of this Paneer Tikka is that it is made with sprouts dressing. So keep watching on, and without further ado, let's get in the video.
Wash the sprout. So the sprouts have been washed. Add a few more condiments to it. I've added a little bit of coriander leaf, 2 green chilies, a little bit of jeera powder, salt, kernels of black pepper, maybe around 10 to 12, water as well. It's mixed properly. A nice thick mixture has been formed. I have just kept the batter aside for making some marination for my paneer. I have here approximately 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. You can reduce or increase the quantity as per number of people that you are serving. I am making it only for one person, so this is what I have for myself. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut this paneer into huge slices. You can see here I have cut this paneer into 4 slices. So here are the 4 big slices. Now I'm going to put this in this bigger bowl for marination. I have covered the paneer slices with the whole of the mixture, and this is how it looks now. I'm going to set this aside for approximately 20 minutes so that juices get inside the paneer pieces and the paneer is nicely marinated. I'm going to make tikkas out of it. So I've kept the pan on the gas and the pan is heating up. The pan is now heated up. I'm going to add a tad bit of oil. Again, using my favorite canola oil just for the convenience of it. Oil is heated up. I'm going to place the tikkas one by one. I have a little extra marination left in my bowl. I'm going to spread it on the paneer. To flip them over. You can see the paneer has turned golden brown. I'm going to flip them over again. Tends to stick, as you can see, but lovely golden brown color. And paneer, as you know, is high in protein. It's also high in fat, so you should be watching the quantity that you eat. The paneer tikka is ready. I like to eat them just like that. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.